I love cotton. You can sew it, you can grow it, you can make it, you can take it, you can hold it, you can fold it, you can buy it, you can try it, you can leave it, you can weave it, you can sew it, you can blow it, you can steal it, you can feel it, you can tie it, you can dye it, you can wear it, you can tear it, you can turn it, you can burn it, you can pick it, you can trick it, you can store it, you can score it, you can give and you can take it, you can mix it, you can fix it, you can touch it, you can smudge it, you can sell it, you can smell it, then you cut it, you can leave it like a mess, you can cover up your ass. I love cotton.